Hello and namaste everyone. I'm Sunischit Rijal from 7th intake of KFA Business School and IT. So, talking about online classes that KFA has been providing to us is very much fruitful. We came to know that distance education is also possible in Nepal. In my perspective, it has been very much helpful to me, not only in my academics but also it taught me to use different online services. I really enjoyed the two-way communication between teachers and students. Talking about teachers, they are very much helpful and frank even in this pandemic. The assignments that are given by teachers are so much helpful for enhancing our creativity. And also, the deadlines are so much feasible that we don't feel any pressure at all. At last, I want to thank our college management team for bringing so many guest lecturers from national and international level. I feel very much grateful to be a part of this KFA family. Thank you.